Hello everyone, I am Mahendra Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SET G.L. Bihani, SD College of Technical Education, Shri Ganganagar. Today our topic is sulfonamide. Learner will be able to introduction about sulfonamide, historical background of sulfonamide, chemistry of sulfonamide, chemical classification of sulfonamide, chemical structure of important sulfonamides, mechanism of action of sulfonamide, and clinical important or uses of sulfonamides. Introductions. Sulfonamide is also known as sulfa drug. Sulfonamides and sulfa drug are the derivative of para-aminobenzene sulfonamide. The sulfonamide drug were the first effective chemotherapeutic agent. These are totally synthetic antibacterial agent with broad spectrum activity. Historical development. 1900 actually modern chemotherapy began with the work of Paul Ehrlich. He is also known as the father of immunology and chemotherapy. According to Paul Ehrlich, he gave a hypothesis. It is also called investigation of magic bullet. 1932 I.G. Forban synthesis of azo dye as a potential antibacterial. It is known as Prontosil. 1933 Gerhard Domag used Prontosil in mice and rabbit, and Prontosil cure streptococcal infection in mice and rabbit. 1939 Gerhard Domag earned the Nobel Prize for Medicine. Prontosil had no antimicrobial activity in vitro. All of its antimicrobial activity was in vivo, inside the living cell. 1936 Ernest Fournier, scientist of Pasteur Institute in Paris, discovered that Prontosil break down in human body to produce sulfanilamide. This is the reaction of Prontosil structure. In vivo metabolize azo group reduction in liver, and it convert two compound. One is sulfanilamide or sulfonamide, and other is called 1,2,4 triaminobenzene. The discovery launched the concept of bioactivation in medicine. Chemistry of sulfonamide. General formula of sulfonamide is RSO2NH2. R is organic compound. The basic structure contains sulfonamide is contain two amino group. One is sulfonamide N1 position, other is called N4 position. And it also contain benzene ring. So free amino group NH2 at the para position of benzene ring, N4 position in the figures. Heterocycle ring at N1 nitrogen of the sulfonamide moiety. This is structure configuration is lacking in sulfonamide non-antibiotic. So sulfonamide are classified as a sulfonamide antibiotic and sulfonamide non-antibiotic. Antibiotic sulfonamide contain this type of structure. Log number of sulfonamide derivative are N1 substituted. R is heterocycle ring. The structure feature is sulfonamide antibiotics are necessary to mimic the structure of PAPA. Reflection spot. Which type of sulfonamide are used and how to produce antibacterial action? Many type of sulfonamide we are used for antibacterial action, and how to produce this action we discuss later. Classification. Different sulfonamide are classified on number of bases. We only discuss here only chemical classification. According to chemical classification, N1 substituted sulfonamide, we only substitution in nitrogen 1 position. For example, sulfamethiazole, sulfacetamide, sulfioxazole, sulfamethiazine, sulfamethoxazole, sulfadiazine. And 4 substituted sulfonamides, it is also called prodrug of sulfonamide, for example Prontosil, and both nitrogen 1 position and nitrogen 4th position substituted sulfonamide, example succinyl sulfathiazole, thallyl sulfathiazole. These are the some structure of important sulfonamide. This is the basic structure R1 and R2. We only change R1 and R2 different substitution to form a different sulfonamide. For example, sulfacetamide, it contain R1 is COCS3, R2 is H, sulfapyridine, R1 contain pyridine group, R2H, sulfadiazine, R1 group contain pyrimidine and R2 contain H, sulfamethiazole, R1 position contain sulfadiazole ring and R2 is H, sulfamethoxazole contain oxazole ring and R2 position is H. These are some some therapeutic use of sulfonamide. Sulfacetamide used as a ophthalmological use, dermatitis, meningitis, nocardiosis, silver salt used in burn therapy of sulfadiazine, urinary tract infection, etc. Sulfioxazole, sulfamethiazine is other structure. Number second is both N1 and 4 substituted sulfonamide, succinyl sulfathiazole and sulfasalazine. This is position of R1 and R2. These are used as a intestinal infection. Then number 3 is nitrogen 4 substituted sulfonamide, Prontosil. Prontosil also a prodrug of sulfonamides. Then how to act sulfonamide as an antibacterial action? Sulfonamide act on pyridine disulphosphate and para-aminobenzoic acid combine to form a dihydropetroic acid in the presence of dihydropentyrate synthetase. Sulfonamide compete with PABA, para-aminobenzoic acid, and inhibit the first step. It not form dihydropetroic acid. Sulfonamide are the structure analogous of PABA, enter the sequence in place of PABA. Sulfonamide prevent synthesis of dihydropetroic acid, a folic acid precursor. Sulfonamide compete with PABA and to create non-functional analogous of folic acid. Non-functional folic acid is not used by bacteria, lead to inhibit the growth of bacteria. In bacteria, folic acid is synthesized, but in mammals, folic acid take directly from diet. So sulfonamide not affect the human folic acid, only affect the bacterial folic acid synthesis. Clinical use, sulfonamide may be used systematically, orally and topically. Some uses of sulfonamides are urinary tract infection, nocardiosis, respiratory tract infection, dermatitis, meningococcal infection in burn therapy, conjunctivitis and superficial ocular infection, traveler diarrhea or GIT infection, chloroquine resistance malaria, leprosy, cerebral toxoplasmosis, and pneumonia. These are the some sulfonamide clinical use. Sulfonamide is mainly used as an antibacterial agent. Thank you.